What's up, guys? Welcome back to Austin Make Stuff. I'm in the middle of organizing my shop a little bit better, and what I really need to do is get some of these clamps that I have here up off the ground and onto a shelf or a rack. So what I'm going to do today is build a super simple clamp rack out of 2x2. It should take only about 5 minutes, and let's get started real quick. So I've already got two of my sides on this piece of 2x2 cut to 45 degrees. But what I'm going to do is basically leave those facing out from the wall, and I'm going to cut a section of the center, and I'll show you what we're going to do with the next. So mine's about 30 inches long, but I'm going to divide this into 3. 10 inches. Should have a 10-inch section in the center, and another 10 inches on the side. Take it, cut it up. I have 3 pieces that are all 10 inches each, and then these 2 that are actually sticking out from the wall. Kind of like that. Took those 2 screws, screwed it right into the wall. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.